Hey guys, Mungo here. Just giving you a quick update on the market. Currently on the daily, we printed a red dot 2 days ago. So continuation is likely what you're going to see. So I'll run through a few scenarios. More macro, I say midterm actually is more bearish than bullish. But we're looking for a retest of 32,000 really to stay bullish. Lose 32,000, we're going to see significantly lower prices. So that's the 1 day. There's a 12 hour. 12-hour money flow is still thick. It's right where you want to see it around the 50 line on the market side for B. I'm really watching for a bounce around the zero point 0.5 fib. 32,800 to 32,750 is a really good level I'm watching. It's also an SFP of a previous candle. That is where I look to long with confirmation. We have increasing price with decreasing volume and decreasing momentum and slightly decreasing money flow. 8 hour momentum still going down while price is holding and rising, which is bearish, is a bearish divergence. 6 hour money flow is still pretty thick, so that can really throw things off. We are above some other key moving averages, which is nice. Let's see, I pull the fixed range. So we're still above, we're below the point of control for the range, but we're below the point of control of the range, but we're also above the value area low. So we're still range bound. About to print a trigger wave on the 4 hour after some downside. 3 hour. Money flow is leaving. Be cautious of this. This could lead into the bounce I'm looking for. 2 hour. 2 hours seems to be choppy. 1 hour. You've had some blood diamonds play out. Heavy selling, but it looks like there's been some bearish absorption / bullish action. So really waiting to see what happens in the next 30 minutes. Money flow is still left. You could print a trigger wave if you get enough momentum to come in here. What I've noticed the past couple of days, what they're doing is just hunting stop losses and looking for liquidations. Green dot on the 30-minute, but it's a doji candle. It's not good. Get huge sell pressure from the top of the previous candle, and then this one's 50-50. So that's not a good sign, and it's kind of funny. It's following exactly my yellow trend path here. Both of these end up in the same location, right around that value, the 0.5 fib, 32,800-ish to the, go as low. I don't think you can go that low, but it's possible. You can just wick down to about 700 to 500 for that range. 12-minute. Chop. It's just a lot of chop right now. So this is not the, you want to trade key levels. You don't want to trade chop. This is how you get stopped out and lose money just slowly but surely over time. Nothing on the 5-minute, 2-minute. More bearish. You got a bunch of, we're likely coming down some. So that's where we are currently. Really what I'm watching on the larger time frames are momentum and money flow. And right now, we're losing both. You have money flow leaving, momentum coming down. So I really expect a bounce at this 0.5 fib. Worst case is the 618, which is coming in right at 32,000, which is the key support resistance flip from the highs we just cleared. So we want to stay bullish. We need to stay above the 618 and 32,000. We get below that with a 1 to 4 hour candle close down in here. We're coming much lower. Again, my original targets, if I can pull it up, I'm not scare everybody with all my lines here. I want to see 26.6 retested. That could be a huge bounce. I mean, you got a nice long entry there. Look at this, if you can make it back up to the highs. You got all this liquidity here to wipe out too in terms of stop losses. So let's say you bounced up at the 26.6, got a good short entry there and rode it all the way back up. You're looking at a 30% move on 100x leverage. Yeah, it's a nice move. And same thing, if you've been short the entire time from up here, you have a nice ride down. You lose 26.6, you're targeting 25.9. Lose 25.9 to 25.3, we're targeting the low of around 24,000. And my ultimate goal is the 22,500 to 19,500 if things get super bearish. It's basically I have it drawn out. Flip this. Yeah, it's the 618 into the 786. So these are you can still have a higher low technically above 19,500. The average person will think this is super bearish, but what you'll get is another massive candle to the upside. So if we're going to cleanse the whole system and shake out all the weak hands, this is what's likely going to happen over the next I think 3 to 6 months. It could happen over the next 36 weeks, or it could happen tomorrow. I've seen a 20% candle in one day as well. So none of this is financial advice. Best of luck. If you haven't joined the D-Hedge Discord, please do so. And I am in the price chat a lot. Take care. Good luck.